Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of eBay app if we click on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps you will search about the application of eBay and we click here. In this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will start your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.